Welcome to our tour specifically for older adults and seniors of the Lake View Studio Disney Vacation Club unit at the villas of Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. I'm Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney. When you hear the term Disney's Grand Floridian, you think of this: the iconic vehicles at the entrance to the main guest building with the huge lobby at this resort. Or this, the monorail station on the second floor of the same main guest building. But where our deluxe studio unit was located was in this building, the standalone villas at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, a Disney Vacation Club unit. There is a covered walkway between this and the main resort building. Across from this villas building is the spa and the exercise room. Sometimes in the lobby of the villas building, you will stumble upon a spontaneous meet and greet with legendary Disney royalty, as Nancy did. This is special. And yes, our Lakeview studio had this spectacular view at sunrise each morning for us. During the day, this was our view. All right then, here is our review and tour, especially for older adults and seniors, a very honest and candid review. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it and learning about these Deluxe Studios units. This helps us out a lot. Thank you.
Hey, it's Dan here from Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney. Today we have a room tour at the villas of Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, room 1504 on the 5th floor. Let's go take a look. Starting on the left, again, this is a lock-off, so on the other side of that door is likely going to be a one-bedroom. This is a studio unit. Over on the right, nice picture. I've seen better, to be quite candid. It's alright, nothing spectacular. But is spectacular, however, on the right is this split bathroom that Disney Cruise Line made famous on most of their cabins and staterooms and their cruise ships. Well, here's a split bathroom. So on one part you have the step-in shower tub combination with the no longer H2O products, but I'll tell you, inside looks the same like the H2O products that you used to have. And so it's called a split bathroom because there's the toilet and then there is the door separating from the other part of the bathroom. These are fantastic. They really are. Big time saver. And if we do go into that other part of the bathroom, it's a single sink. Now this is a studio. Personally, I don't really care for a single sink. There's Nancy and I, so we should have two sinks. So a little bad mark there on Disney. Nonetheless, here is the step-in shower. It's supposed to step-up shower, and then yes, you have that little lip there. But this is really, really nice. One of our favorites. And again, you've got the bench, you can sit down there. You've got the levers over there for the water. You've got the shower head coming straight down and the handheld. And again, there's the same non-H2O bath products: shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So we really, really like the split bathroom concepts that Disney has in some of its deluxe resorts and in most cabins within all of their cruise ships. So we continue our tour. The studio. Go. It's the closet. Not much more that I can add there. See everything that's there, including the wall safe. We use that. Over on the right, have full-length mirror with a very nice outer edge there, decal. On the left, again, it's a studio, it's a kitchenette, microwave. And what also we like about the Grand Floridian is that its many refrigerators are truly refrigerators, just small size. So this is the freezer unit, quite cold, freezing, some might say. Yucca, yucca, yucca. And then there is the refrigerator part. So really like that. Microwave, storage, glasses, plastic, but this is the Grand Floridian, so also ceramic coffee mugs, but plastic plates in the back and plastic cutlery right there. Single serving Keurig, unlike the one bedroom at the boardwalk that we just came from here, the studio at Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. It's not a combo coffee maker, it is a single serve Keurig. All right, let's continue. So over on the right, we have the bed. And again, one of my pet peeves with Disney. For some reason, this is the Villas of Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, the flagship resort at Walt Disney World. What's missing on one side of the bed? Yeah, there's no night table. Disney does this every now and again, and it's one of the very annoying, again, you wanted candid, very annoying aspects to Disney. Just because it's a studio does not mean both people in the bed deserve a nightstand. Here is the nightstand. This is on my side. Usually it's on Nancy's side. This is on my side. And it's very nice. And we've got a couple of drawers. But you know, if you're a senior or anyone who may have glasses and may have some medication, you want to put it at the nightstand, put your book. Where are you doing that? On this side of the bed. You're not. Come on, Disney. You're better than that. Now, on the plus side, very nice, a very nice wall hangings there. I'll do a still picture in a minute, you can see better. Continuing, there we have the Murphy bed. There's no picture on top, on the outside of the Murphy bed like there is in many of the other deluxe resorts at Walt Disney World. But if I pull it down, you can see how easy it is. It's like, look, Ma, one hand by Dan. And there is a beautiful artist's rendering, right with the Mary Poppins theme. This is part of the theme of the Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. So another aspect of the Grand Floridian Deluxe Studio, or it's been noted in other videos as well, I want to make sure to point it out, underneath the bed have these drawers. Now, totally useless when it's right next to the nightstand on the one side. This one, lots of storage space. And then, at the front, or the foot of the bed rather, you have sliders. This one, not moving, but this one, with the flick of the wrist, gives you space to store your suitcase underneath the bed, should you wish. And then over here, well, not a dang thing. Well, very nice. And again, the mattress is thick and cushiony. Very nice. And it does have on the opposite side, you can see there, a light switch. Put that on so you can see how much of a light that actually gives you. This side of the bed, the pull-down bed, will share this single nightstand. All right, let me put on the light. Look at that. Doesn't come on. So I don't know what that light is doing. All right. So with that, let me put this back up. And again, all with one hand. I'm not overly strong at all. Again, I'm a retired Medicare card carrying senior with a couple of hobbies. So it's pretty easy to do. Quickly turn over here in this corner. Got a stick table, a couple of chairs, and then here is the TV, Powell family. Then this is really cute. Look at this. Isn't that cute? Like that. Now to pull this down, here is another. This is a single bed. Isn't that cute, Dumbo? And Dumbo's mom? There. This is beautiful. Look at that. It's gorgeous. So that is why the studio, Deluxe Studio at Villas of Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa can accommodate 5 people, because that's where the 5th person will sleep. Very nice. Cable box there. Always like looking at what's in here. Nothing in there. All right. So let's go look in the balcony. And again, this is a Lake View unit. There we go. Yeah, we just arrived. So this balcony is not very deep. It's maybe a tad more deep than the balcony we had at the boardwalk in our one bedroom. So here we have a very nice view. There's the wedding chapel. You can see just on the right there on the edge is the new tower at the Disney's Polynesian Village. And there is Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Over here is the Contemporary, of course. See a ship in the distance, a ferry in the distance, like passing each other. Very nice view, and we will see the electric water pageant later tonight after dark. See if we can get a video of that for you later on our Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney YouTube channel. Okay, so as I walk around the living area and the bedroom area of the Deluxe Studio here at Disney, the villas of Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, are you seeing what is missing? Other than, yes, no nightstand on this side of the bed. Well, where are we going to charge all of our electrical equipment? Our smartphones, our smart watches, our headphones, and so on. So way over here on the wall, electrical outlets. So what, Disney expects you to plug them in there and have them just lay on the floor that you're gonna walk on in the middle of the night because you forget that they're there? So that's not gonna work. What about this side of the bed? Well, I don't see any place to plug anything in. Do you? Hey, there we go. So there's 1, 2, and then there's a USB and USB-C. So that's one set that will work. But there's more than one person here. It's Nancy and I. So this is the hunt for the electric. Oh, here we go, way over here. 2 down there. There's more down there, but you get the point. You have to go and hunt and find these things. If this is supposed to be the flagship resort at Walt Disney World, it should be a lot easier to find where you can plug in to charge your smartphone, camera, and so on. So that's another thing we do not like about this studio, just so you are aware if you decide to stay here. So into the other side of the split bathroom with the bathtub and the toilet, I did want to point out that on the wall is the grab bar. So if Disney could put a grab bar at the bathtub in a typical or standard deluxe studio at the villas of Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, there's no reason why they couldn't install that in all of the bathrooms with the bathtub in all of Disney resorts. This is not an ADA compliant room. Yet over here on this side of the split bathroom with the shower, there is no grab bar. Now, one might say, well, gee, Dan, you got a grab bar on the door. Well, I can tell you, if you're over here inside the shower, you can't reach that grab bar. So, if Disney could put a grab bar by the bathtub, why couldn't it put a grab bar right there? Or reposition the line for the shower head, and you put a small grab bar right there. Seniors would appreciate that. And so there you have it, the Deluxe Studio Villa at the villas at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. Warts and all. Things we don't like, some things we really, really like at Disney's flagship resort here in Walt Disney World. For more of our travel adventures, Disney travel adventures for adults and seniors, there are 2 more videos for you to select. So click on one of them and continue watching right now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.